Friend of mine came to me with a problem he was having with his safe. One gear in the mechanism was broken. This gear. The issue is the handle with the square drive shaft on it has worn away at the square hole on the gear. What do I use on a daily basis or pretty routinely that has a square hole in it that I could swap out for this one? I think of a socket. So it's a square hole, and this particular one is a 1/4 inch. And that just so happens to fit the handle drive shaft that's meant to turn this gear. So why not drill this out or bore it out on the lathe and press it in, maybe with some glue, and glue it in. So onto the lathe. So off camera, I did have to make a new socket. I really wanted a better press fit. It basically was sliding in there. I don't know what I did. I measured something wrong, but anyway, cleaning up the parts here, getting ready to press it in. Just making sure it's clean for the Loctite retaining compound that I'm going to use. So I'm trying to get it roughly aligned so that the square hole is indexed properly to the gear. Because it's a press fit, I'm going to be limited in my adjustments. Use an aluminum block to bang it in. and a pair of vice grips with a 1/4 inch carbide insert tool holder to go in there and be able to turn it, get it lined up as best I can, make sure it works with the mechanism properly. So that assembly is complete. Gotta let it cure, and then we're gonna try it in the mechanism and see if it works. Yeah, so it doesn't work. There's a small plastic boss that is between the gear and the panel, and it's just preventing the gear from sitting down all the way. So I had to put it back on the lathe and bore it out to clear that plastic boss. So that did the trick. Everything works now. If you like random videos of people fixing obscure mechanisms, then stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.
Yay!